Our focus on excellence in quality has driven us for 10 years since inception. The large $10 billion automotive aftermarket industry offers unparalleled opportunity. We are well poised to take a quantum leap to the next level. A promising future at Premier Plus is just the beginning, as we evolve and transform ourselves for the exciting new opportunities ahead. In a sophisticated, bold, and dynamic new form to soar with renewed vigor and focus. Presenting the new Premier Plus. The comfort of quality.